we are introducing you ConnectiFY, an IoT development platform. ConnectiFY is flexible, convenient, cost-effective, and fully integrated development board. This board is targeted at beginners, makers, students, embedded designers, IoT enthusiasts, and those who are seeking feature-rich prototyping for IoT-based solutions. ConnectiFY is a development platform to discover the full capabilities of 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit microcontrollers. It has onboard Bluetooth, Ethernet, Zigbee, and LoRa to enhance your IoT design. ConnectiFY is the best platform for learning embedded and IoT. We can plug in Daughterboards of various microcontrollers to prototype any type of application. ConnectiFY can be powered through a supply ranging from 6 to 12 volt DC. ConnectiFY has several key features such as LEDs, alphanumeric LCD display, external ADC, motor driver, EEPROM, RTC, relays, buzzer, D-pad, dip switches, hex keypad, an integrated USB to serial communication bridge for data exchange. The board has wide range of communication options like Ethernet, Bluetooth, with additional support for XBee and LoRa for IoT-based solutions. ConnectiFY allows processor plug-in modules to utilize the capabilities of various microcontrollers family for different applications. Arduino is a great platform for beginners and hobbyists with all sort of hardware and software support. 8051 is the best choice for learning embedded from scratch and designing low-range applications. With ESP8266, you can take advantage of Wi-Fi connectivity along with a decent performing MCU. AVR helps in learning AVR microcontroller family. ARM Cortex-M3 is a powerful platform for more demanding and resource-intensive applications. We have good online resources to support your learning and design your IoT projects, including video tutorials, sample projects, codes and libraries for all supported microcontrollers by ConnectiFY platform. ConnectiFY helps you to make your IoT design idea a reality. For more information, you can visit our website, theIoTacademy.com, YouTube channel and Facebook page for more updates. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.